Okay, so here with another update. So remember how I said I was talking about a full screen mode? So I just got done implementing what I believe are all the necessary details to attempt this. Um, now this will either be a disaster or a success, I don't know. But here's what I had to do. Um, I had to change my window style to WEX topmost and combine that with WS pop-up. I commented out the old style. Um, let's see. Uh, whoa. I also added this in here, set window position, uh, to use this command, HWA topmost, which is what will make this active. This will make the window overlap the entire taskbar. Uh, I've also modified the viewport to go from 1920 by 1080, which is the actual resolution of my screen right now. So that would be full screen mode. Um, so this is gonna be pretty crazy, I think. See, what else did I change? Yes, I also went here into the main header and I set the right here, the client width to 1980 and the client height to 1980. So I could be using those on the viewport as opposed to, you know what? Let's go ahead and let's change that client width. Oops. Because I feel like we shouldn't be using numbers here. I mean, unless we wanted multiple windows. Width times height, there it is. So I think I'm really scared to do this. Let's compile this. Okay, this will be my first time testing. So here's what we should see. Um, the window is going to become the entire size of the screen. The viewport in the game will become the entire size of the screen, and the game will enter a full screen mode. Basically, full screen mode. The window will overlap the taskbar, everything. It'll look like full screen mode. Now here's the thing with that. I don't know if the game will be able to handle it. I don't know. It might slow down to a slideshow because previously uh, I was running this game at a very low resolution, 1280 by 720 in this tiny little window. And now we're taking that and we're expanding it 100%. So also because I did that, I had to switch to the scrolling background. Um, so here we go. We're gonna go ahead and launch this, and it will either be a slideshow or it will be fast. I don't know. So here we go. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, it's running in full screen. Let's hide the mouse over here. Um, oh my god, it seems the animation over here for one of our pop blocks seems to be running at full speed. I did see something animate over here. Okay, the platform is moving normally. Okay, so here's a moment of truth. Oh my god, no lag. It moves just normal. Okay, let's go forward. No way. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It runs at the same speed, guys. And I think that's due to the way we have the delta time set up. I believe delta time is speeding up the game just enough to keep it running at the same speed. But there's no stutter. It just looks normal like it usually does. Oh my god, full screen mode. Unbelievable. This is running at 1920 by 1080 on the Windows GDI. And I am getting a very, very nice performance here. That is crazy. Look at that. What? Are you serious? Oh my god. Of course, if you see stuttering on screen, it's because of OBS. But on the actual game is running very smooth. It's running normal, like nothing has that really happened. Okay, let's. Oh my goodness, I can see so much of the level now. It's crazy. It really gives you a different perspective. Um, wow, that's great. This is crazy. I may just leave it like this, um, because what I'm gonna be planning on doing next is implementing the tile editing, where I'll be able to go and move tiles to different locations, so that I can create new levels. Uh, this is definitely, oh my goodness, this is crazy. This is crazy. How can the Windows GDI handle this? Um, this is absolutely crazy. A lot of people are gonna think that this is DirectX. This is not DirectX. Wow, it's so smooth. It's like it's like nothing has changed. It runs normal. Same speed. No abnormalities. Okay, that is great news. That is great news. I'm so proud. Unbelievable. Okay, well I say that's a success. Wow, that is crazy. That is crazy. Um, there is a setting I have here that is supposed to improve the performance of the window, which is this byte align client. So let's take that out of the equation. Let's see if that um, has a significant impact on the game. It still runs normal. It still runs normal, but I can tell. Yeah, there's a little bit of a kind of a little bit of a stutter when I'm moving. So I think that having this in there kind of improves the drawing operation. So it is doing. I put that there because I thought it would improve things. Oh yes. Oh, what a difference. Yes, it does make a difference. It's very minimal, but you'd have to be looking for it to know what it is that you're looking at. Well, there it is, full screen mode. So I will begin to not. I won't immediately begin to code. I'm gonna just sit down and start doing some sketches on how I'm going to design this level editor. And I think that the first thing I'm gonna do is, of course, attach my interface key, which will be the tilde. That's the key next to the 1 and above the tab. And the first thing to do here is to figure out what do we do when that happens. Um, do we stop animating the objects in the level? Um, and if we select a tile, obviously we need to select a default tile. and that tile needs to be selected on the screen. I know there's a lot of stuff to work out, and then I think that once I have that initial interface where you go in and the tile is selected, um, uh, I'm gonna work on moving tiles. That's gonna be the first thing, moving a tile from one location to another, uh, deleting a tile, and then after I do that, I will implement switching uh, between different tiles based upon, cycling through the tile map based on what tile you have loaded. So that would be the next thing. Um, and yeah, see, I'm just mumbling now. I'm just absolutely in shock that this thing's running in full screen, and the performance is still good. Uh, Here, the collision system is doing good. If it was really, yeah, it's working great. This is crazy, guys. This is absolutely crazy. Look at this. That is ridiculous. I can see all the way up there now. That is ridiculous. Well, that's great news. Great news. And I did bind escape to be able to quit the game. That's how I'm quitting the game. I'm hitting escape. So I was smart to put that in there. Over here, I binded this key because I know if I went full screen mode, I wasn't going to have this little X button up here. So I had to figure out a way how to quit the game. So that's the update I got for now. Thank you so much for watching. Got more exciting things coming in the works. Success today. That means that we now have. Well, it's not implemented yet, but I will be implementing that option to go from full screen to windowed mode. I think it's safe to implement a mode where we can resize the window. There's just a little bit of coding to do because then you have to kind of adjust the size of the viewport as you're resizing the window. I know that gets really touchy. I may or may not do that. But yeah, great progress today. Thank you so much for watching. And I promise that's the last time I say that. Bye bye.